Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. And you already know I'm bringing y'all that classic banging content. Yes, today we are going in with the NFL drip. That's right, the NFL season has just started. And we got to go over the shoes we see out there on the field. That's right, they turned these holy grails into some football cleats. So let's go. First up, I want to talk about Jalen Hurst, Mr. Jalen Hurst himself, with those SB Pine Green Jordan 4s. They are magnificent. And those were my sneaker of the year, 2023. Next up, we got my dog coming in the media press with those red October cleats. Those are the Yeezys. Those are worth at least $30,000, and he turned them into some football cleats. You know you got money. Let's look at these crystal low ones. That's right, my man's got them crystaled, bedazzled, and it looks sweet with them Swarovski crystals. Well, Swarovski crystals, whatever it is, y'all know what I mean. Let's go. We got to look at them NRG Pure Platinum Yeezys. Those are sweet. He turned them into some cleats. That is phenomenal. All right, let's look at them Fruity Pebble LeBron 4s. My man got on the LJs. That's right, LeBron James and those Fruity Pebble 4s. Those are crispy. Then you got to look at those Pumas. Those are a different freaky color. I think that's sweet. Now we got my man's Stephon Diggs with the Asics, right? Come on, man. For comfort and so he can burn them on the field. That's sweet. Dog, look at Dak Prescott and his custom ones he got. Those are ridiculous. It went real well with his uniform. I think that's sweet. Then you got those Pumas again. Look at the fruity colorway. Almost give you that Fruity Pebbles LeBron James 4 colorway. Look at the different styles. Now I got to look at them mid-royal toe ones. Those are dope because those are a sleeper sneaker, and I think not too many people know how goated those are. Then we got the golden Under Armour 99 Justin Jefferson shoes. Yes, he's probably rated 99 on Madden, and that's why you got the golden cleats. Then you got CeeDee Lamb and his custom Nikes. Then we got those green up tempos. I mean, these NFL stars have made a mark. They are showing you why they have the drip. And if you want to look at the old school, back in the day, late 90s to the early 2000s drip of the NFL players, they didn't even wear cleats. They just wore straight up basketball shoes because they used AstroTurf, which is fake or artificial grass. So check that video out in the playlist. You will be able to be entertained. Next up, we got Joe Burrows with them mid ones. They go good with the Cincinnati Bengals uniform, orange and black, crispy, man. Then we got Pickens with them Bapesters on, man. Look at that. I definitely never saw anybody in the NFL wear Bapes. He's the first. Then we got the LeBron James ones. They make another appearance. Yes, people love GOAT James. So you already know them NFL stars was going to pay homage. Now we got homeboy, the reigning NFL MVP, Mr. Lamar Jackson. He's wearing those Air Max 95s. Well, at least he won it the year before last. So he might win it again, especially with them Air Max 95s on. Then we got Mr. Hall with the Mambacitas. Yes, paying homage to the Black Mamba, Kobe himself. I think those are dope. Really, really sweet. Then we got some more Nikes in the mix. And last but not least, some Jordan 9s. Look like Doom Red color. Really sweet. I think that everybody on this list brought the heat. And it was opening week. So that's the reason why they stepped out and was looking stylish. So if this was your first time, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you like many of these entertaining videos, go and check out the playlist. The wall of fame is growing, y'all. So do me a favor, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that like button on the way out. It's Al Woo with the shoe. I'll see y'all again. Y'all already know what to do. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown, bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.